Yeah, if you're having problem of updating your WordPress posts, you are getting updating field whenever you want to update your posts, and you've done everything on the site and it's still not working. What you should do is go to your hosting site. When you go to your hosting site, you click on the cPanel, you log into the cPanel. As you can see, I've logged into the cPanel of my site. Then you go to the security section, you locate mode security. You click on mode security, you allow it to load. Then you check the status of the mode security on the site. Now the mode security on this site is on. You toggle it off. You click on off and you wait for it. Now as you can see, I have disabled the mode security. Then you go back to the site where you want to update the post. Then you click on update again. I'm trying to update it. Let's wait for it. Now the site has been successfully been updated. Now this problem can also persist when you are trying to update your themes, do some themes customization. You might also experience this type of issue. Just go to your mode security and toggle it off. I hope this helps.